Please welcome Ibu Sylvie.
Come forward. Please come forward. Okay. And for the first, this certificate.
And for all the moderators, please stay on the stage because after this we will have a photo sessions together with Bu Ade Irma Susanti.
Okay, the next is to have photo session.
Session
Bang
and-
Hantam, do you want to join the photo session?
Okay, we have to-
Yeah.
Okay. Be careful, Shifa.
Be careful, yeah.
Okay, so would you please give a round of applause to our moderator, shall we? This is the moderator for this parallel session in the second day of second international conference on
Conference.
transformation in communication.
Sampai 5 nih ya.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
thank you
you.
very
Give
much.
applause for our moderator today.
Okay, what's next, Shiva?
What is the next? The next is something that we're waiting for.
Waiting for what? Waiting for knowing the
Uh-huh.
winners of the paper competition.
Of course, Bang Anta.
We have two categories,
Uh-huh.
but we will not announce it.
Mhm.
We
Invite.
already had.
Uh-huh.
We already had the hottest
The hottest,
moderator and the
the
hottest,
handsome,
the handsome
the handsome.
lecturer Telkom University has
University.
ever had.
Of course.
So please welcome Bapak Ayu
Ayu.
Irfandi.
Please come forward. Okay, give
Okay,
applause for
Bapak
Bapak
Ayu.
Ayu.
Thank you, Shifa and Nanda.
Okay,
What
Bapak.
should I do? What am I doing here?
Announce who the
Over
winner,
me.
Bapak.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay. Thank you. Now, they asked me to do two things actually to announce two types of awards. The first one will be, well, what everybody's waiting for, which is the announcement or the awarding for the best papers, followed by the awarding for the best presenters. Now, before I announce the names, I call upon your names to come forward and receive your awards. I would like to explain a little bit how's the process has been done to decide who got the best paper and who was the best presenters. Okay? Did you present it, any of you? Did you? No?
No.
You didn't present, isn't it?
No.
So your name won't be here, okay? So here's the thing. Okay. For the best papers, what we did is that we collect all of your papers. We do what we call an internal review to check all of the components, and then we send it outside, which is reviewed externally by reviewers, selected reviewers from outside of Indonesia. So what they did is that they reviewed the whole thing, we provide the scores that I have, and then we collect the whole thing, we list them down, sorted them by from the best scores until the last one. So that's how we end up with the best papers, okay? So it's been decided by our external reviewer. External means come from outside of Indonesia. What we did with the internal review is just for the sake of formatting. That's it. Okay? Now, while for the best presenters, what we did is that if you see when you are presenting, there are a moderator, isn't it, for each room. So that's where we get the score. They evaluate your performance and it's the score was given by the moderators. Okay? Should I start? Yes. Okay. Nanda, can you give me a drum roll, please?
Drum roll.
Yeah? That's a very bad drum roll.
Drum roll.
Okay, let us start with the best papers. Okay, as you can see, there were 20 papers. The 10 papers will be submitted in each into the Scopus journals that we have, right? Namely, Search and IGIMC. But for today, we are going to call upon 5 authors who being nominated as the top 5 of the best papers. Okay? Now, I'm not going to tell you who got the first prize or who got the 5th prize. Let's just call upon the name first. Okay? Can we have
Mister.
can we have Mr. Rizmi Juliadi on stage, please? Mr. Rizmi is here? Okay, thank you, sir. Could you please join me? Congratulations. Nice shirt, by the way. You should get an award for the best shirt today. Okay? Next, can we have Ibu Roro Retno Bulan on stage with us? Are you here? Okay, you are coming. Okay, I'll wait for you. Next, can we have Ibu Iis Kurnia with us? Do we have Ibu Iis Kurnia? Can you please join us here? Mr. Rizmi, can you please stay by my side? Thank you. Okay, we're still waiting for Ibu Roro. Next, can we have Ibu Hani Hafian with us? Are you here? No? Okay, we'll wait. The next one, to complete the 5 top papers that we have, can we have Ibu Zainab Rizki Aryani? No? Are you here, Ibu Zainab? Okay, so that means we have 3 out of 5 best papers, isn't it? Okay, so you would like all of them to be on stage? Okay, let me just clarify that. Some of the papers were written more than just one author. Let's say Mr. Rizmi, you were alone for the author, isn't it? Okay, Ibu Roro Retno Bulan was writing with some colleagues, namely Atwar Bajari. Is he around? No. Prof. Atwar? Ibu Nurja Shafira? No? So, Bu Roro will be representing them. Okay, Ibu Haniafia was writing alone. Ibu Iis Kurnia was co-authored by Ibu Alila Pramiyanti. Are you around? Can we have you join Ibu Iis for the co-authors? No? How about Ibu Yuliani Rahma Putri? Are you around? Okay. Could you please join us? So Ibu Yuliani, Ibu Alila, and Ibu Iis all are co-authors of the paper. Now, where should we start? Should we start with number 1 or number 5?
Number 5.
Start with number 5.
Number 5.
Okay. Before that, could we please our Dean, Dr. Jafar, to present the award to our winners, please? Thank you, sir. So we'll start with number 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's see who got the 5th best paper of the second ICOI TIC 2016. Do you have the awards? Do you have? What's the awards? Can we have it, please? What's the awards? Okay, you guys ready? Okay. The 5th best paper of the second ICOI-TIC 2016 is belong to the one who wrote a paper titled The Construction of Buzzer Identity on Social Media, which is Mr. Rizmi Juliadi. Okay, can we have the certificate? Thank you. Mr. Rizmi, okay. Okay. Okay, big round of applause for our best fifth paper of the conference. Okay. Thank you. Mr. Rizmi, please stay on the stage. We need your picture. Okay. The fourth best paper, again on the second ASEO ITIC 2016, being awarded to co-authors who wrote a paper entitled Sisingan or Local Resistance Efforts to Colonial Identity, which is written by Ibu Roro and the co-authors. Congratulations. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Jafar. Please, Ibu Roro remain on the stage. For the third best paper of the second ASEO ITIC 2016, given to the one who wrote about communication experience of Indonesia bestseller novelist, which is written by Ibu Hani Hafiar. Okay, unfortunately, she's already gone home or didn't attend the closing ceremony. Can we have a representative from the committee to receive the awards, please? Should someone represent or should we just skip it? Skip. Okay. Next, the second place. Okay, would you please, sir, kindly represent your friend? Ibu Hani, yes. Ibu Hani Hafiar. Yeah? Okay, can we have the awards, please? Ibu Hani Hafiar, represented by Mr. Demet. Dedi Meta. Okay, can we have a picture, please? Thank you, Mr. Dedi. Please remain on the stage. Next, the second best paper, according to our external reviewer, belongs to co-authors who wrote about enhancing the safety of foreign workers through language development and the competence use of information and communication technologies, the case of Indonesian workers abroad. It's a very long title, isn't it? But it's been written by three lovely ladies, and they are Ibu Iis Kunia, Ibu Alila Pramayanti, and Ibu Yuliani Rahma Putri. Congratulations. Could you please move forward, Ibu Iis dan Ibu Yuli? Thank you, Dr. Jafar, and congratulations for the co-authors. Now, definitely the most important, the most that you've been waiting for, but I'm sure you can guess it because I called 5 names, and the best paper been given to the author who wrote about the influence of product attributes of tourism and Iwong electronic word of mouth, the decision to visit Parang Ijo waterfall in Karanganyar region, Central Java, and the author is Ibu Zainab Rizky Ariani. And as I mentioned, Jafar is not here. Can we have a representative to collect the awards, please? Sorry? From Institute Technology of Bandung. Anybody here know Ibu Zainab Rizky Aryani? Or could you have a representative from the committee to take the awards, please? Just for the symbolic. Okay, Mr. Sharif, please, as the head committee. This is on behalf of Ibu Zainab Rizky Aryani. Please help us to collect the awards. Thank you, Dr. Jafar. Thank you, Dr. Sharif. Okay. Again, congratulations to Ibu Zainab Rizky Aryani. Ladies and gentlemen, they have done a lot of work. Okay.
Okay, I have multiple roles. I have to announce that the prize for the winner for the best papers are a package from Telkomsel, around 12 gigabytes, and a book written by Ulani Yunus and friends. It's a novel about students from Faculty of Communication, and a voucher from Novotel for a barbecue dinner, and some of the winners got also the financial award. So, yeah, that's all.
Thank you for Mr. Sharif to clarify the rewards that I have. Before you leave, can we please give them the loudest round of applause for all the best presenters, please? Okay. Can we take some last pictures among all of you? Photographers? Okay, can someone help Mr. Rizmi with it? Thank you. Done? Thank you and congratulations. You may return to your seat. Thank you. Nanda,
Yes, Mr. Ayub.
you forgot the drum roll, didn't you?
Okay.
Okay, so that was the best papers. Once again, it's been decided by our external reviewer outside of Indonesia. Those are the top 5, and of course, we are going to forward 10 of you, 10 best papers into each of Scopus journals that we have. Okay, we are going to have a follow-up announcement with regard to that. Now, one down, one to go. The next one is the evaluation that we did throughout the parallel sessions with this, which is the awarding for the best presenters. Now, this time, I'm going to call upon the names of the presenters. Ready? Okay, so what should I do? Okay. Right. Can we have a drum roll, please?
Okay. Drum roll for multimedia.
Yes.
Okay, from me. From me.
All right.
Okay. From me and
Okay.
Siva, ya. Okay.
The fifth best presenter for today, can we have and
Drum roll, please.
yeah, the fifth best presenter for the parallel sessions, could you please join us, Madam Fitri Handayani? Are you here, Madam Fitri? No? Okay, I was told that she already left. She didn't join us for the closing ceremony. How about for the fourth best presenter that goes down to Mr. Mariko? Are you with us? Mr. Mariko? No? Okay. That means we go into the top 3 among the best presenters that we have. Could you please join us? The third best presenter of the day for the parallel sessions of the second ASEO-TIC 2016 goes to Ibu Dia Agung Esfandari. Yes, you are here. Thank you. Come and join us. Congratulations, by the way. Next, the second best presenter goes to Ibu Yuanita Shafitri. Could you please represent her? Thank you. Come. Thank you. Welcome to the stage, and please say my congratulations. Thank you. Now, the last, definitely the most important for the best score that we have for the best presenter of the parallel session, second ASEO 2016, goes to Ibu Lucy Pujasari. Are you here with us? Or can someone please represent her for the top 3? Thank you. Anyone? Anyone? Mr. Sharif, maybe? Come. Thank you. Okay. Giving the awards for the best presenters of the parallel sessions, can we please have Mr. Sharif again to the floor with us? Thank you. Can we start with Ibu Dia? Now, since we have the representations and a friend of Ibu Fitri, we are going to give the award, a symbolic award, for Ibu Fitri Handayani for the best fifth presenter. Thank you. Round of applause, please. Thank you. Okay. Do we have a representative for Mr. Mariko? Okay, again, it will be represented by a very nice friend of Mr. Mariko for the fourth best presenter of today. Thank you and congratulations to Mr. Mariko. The third place for the best presenter of the parallel sessions, congratulations to Ibu Dia. Congratulations. Big smile, please. Thank you, Mr. Sharif, and congratulations to Ibu Dia. Oh, with a hug. Okay. We didn't get a hug before. Okay. The second one, also being represented by her friend, is the second best presenter of today, goes to Ibu Yuanita Shafitri. Okay, thank you and congratulations. The last one would be go into Ibu Lucy Pujasari, which will be collected by our heads of committee, Mr. Sharif. Congratulations. Thank you. Before you leave, can we have pictures with you, please? Thank you and congratulations. Well, 2 downs, that means I almost complete my job. But there is one small announcement for our participants, presenters, moderators, and committees, and definitely for the authors who have sent your paper and presented your paper today. The first thing is, we are going to publish the proceeding of your papers early by the late of December or as late as early of January. The reason is that because all of your papers still in considerations to be forwarded into 2 of the Scopus journal that we have. Okay? Normally, right after the event, right after the conference, you will get your proceeding right away, isn't it? Now, it's not that we don't have the time to publish it or to print it, but your papers are still in the running to be published in the 2 of the Scopus journals that we have.